Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. You want to watch the game with me and have a cold one? Let me tell you about this mini fridge. I have got so much to tell you about this fridge. There are so many features that I like about it. I think the number one thing I love about it is how quiet it is. And I'm not just pulling your leg here. Like, I thought this thing was broken when I first got it and plugged it in because I couldn't hear it kick on. I couldn't hear it running. I love the fact that it is so quiet. You're not even going to know it's there. So I also love the size of this. I needed it for my husband's office, something that he could fit under his desk and still be able to fit his lunch and several sodas and a snack throughout the day, and it's perfect. It does come in 3 different sizes, but the size we got was the middle size and it fits perfectly. And I love the practical design of this fridge. I love that everything fits in here very nicely. I like these shelves in the door where you can fit bottles of soda. You can fit cans in the middle, and the shelves are all adjustable to be the height that you need it for what you need it for. It has a very sleek design. The door is easy to open and close. I love this black color. It'll match any decor that you have, and it even has a lock and key at the bottom. So like I said before, we got this for my husband's office, and this is it at work. It slid very easily under his desk. It's very accessible to everything that he needs. And again, it's very quiet, so it's not going to disturb his work. So this mini fridge is great anywhere in your house, whether you want it in the garage or whether you want it at your office for work. You're not going to go wrong with this, but that's just my point of view.